Wake County's population booming. So is the demand for emergency care. Now WakeMed is taking steps to bring a 24/7 ER to Rolesville. WRAL's health reporter Grace Haba explains what's behind this push and what it could mean for the community.
Right now, this is just an empty field in Rolesville, but WakeMed has a plan to turn this plot of land in one of the fastest growing corners of Wake County into a source of 24/7 emergency care. It would be a first for the area.
It would ease everybody's mind.
And for those who live nearby, like Jennifer Hinton, it could make all the difference.
It would mean maybe time. And time is everything when you're in an emergency.
The roughly $54 million emergency room would be built here, across from Rolesville Middle School.
There's really nothing that's open 24/7 in that part of the county.
The closest option now is WakeMed North. The drive can take 20 minutes or longer, and hospital execs say space there is limited.
We look at our North Emergency Department, we are at capacity, Grace. We're pretty much landlocked. We've expanded as much as we can from an emergency department's perspective.
But the need for care is growing. The latest county census shows Rolesville's population grew 150% in the decade prior, the fastest countywide.
Our demographics are getting older. They have more health problems and more complicated health problems.
Wake County EMS tells WRAL another facility would provide more options, making sure they can be there when you need them.
That will help free us up, decrease what we call wall time, which is that time that when we get to the emergency department, we are waiting for a bed to become available so we can transfer that patient over.
Officials say the goal is to be able to open the doors of the new HealthPlex here in Rolesville by October 2027. In Wake County, Grace Haba, WRAL News.
Current North Carolina law requires hospitals like WakeMed to hear public comment and get approval from the state for these kinds of projects. The public hearing is scheduled for June 17th at 10 a.m. in the Edgerton building on the Dorothea Dix campus.